Hi, my name is Dr. Helena Wu, and I'm excited to be a part of the High Desert Dental team. I'm originally from El Paso, Texas, and I enjoy spending time with my family and my dogs, Loon and Mimi. They are my hiking companions. I enjoy reading at home and spending time playing video games sometimes. Went to school in San Antonio, Texas for my undergrad and my graduate school before coming here to do residency for about a year. I then went back to El Paso just to work for a little bit. Someone once told me that New Mexico is the land of entrapment, and I've decided to come back to serve the community here. I like the food. I like green chili. I've said that a lot. I had a lot of dental work when I was a teenager. I have a couple crowns. I have a couple fillings. I didn't have the best oral hygiene when I was 17. I really kind of got into it because I had a dentist that I really liked, in El Paso actually. And I just remember he was very gentle with me. He explained things to me very well. And he told me to brush and floss my teeth because I just wasn't doing it. And so after doing all of that, I decided, I think I'd like becoming a dentist. It's very hands-on. I like patient interactions. I come from a background where my parents own a Chinese restaurant, so maybe on some Christmases, you'll see me actually working there. I like interacting with people still, and I like working with my hands a lot. And I feel like I'm always on my feet, so that's why I decided to do dental. And I haven't regretted it since. I think the journey has been tough, but it's been very rewarding so far. So I really like doing aesthetic work. I do run-of-the-mill, crowns, fillings. I do a lot of extractions actually, as well. A lot of grafting. I like doing clear aligners a lot. I did a lot of Invisalign in the past. We do clear correct here. I really have enjoyed doing that. I'm finishing a couple cases already where I'm at, and the patients have been really happy, and I think I've liked how happy they are and how they've liked their progress. I've seen a review where it's I like going to the dentist so much that I wish someone would punch me in the face so I could go back. It was something along those lines. But I saw a patient the other day. We really connect, I think. He's one of actually my special needs patients. He always had difficulty finding care because he said that no one really would treat him because of his disability. But I've been seeing him for the last 6 months, and he told me that he just really appreciated that. I gave him the opportunity to see and treat him. But he's a great patient. He doesn't have anything wrong with him, honestly. He's a great patient, treatment's very easy. A long time ago, I had this patient that came in to see me. He came in because his denture broke. And when he came in, I just remember he had ulcerations everywhere. He had them all over his mouth, all over his face. And I told him, I was like, hey, we can do your dentures, but you have something bigger going on. Well, he was never properly diagnosed. He told me he had gone to the emergency room multiple times. So we ended up doing a biopsy on him. We thought he probably had pemphigoid or something. Ended up having pemphigus vulgaris. And so he had a lot of treatment done. He actually almost died because he had gone so long without treatment. It had been 3 years at this point. He ended up going on chemo and everything. He's doing a lot better now. But it took about 13 months for us to get to that first interaction to a stable point in his life. But he's doing super well now. I'm very grateful for that experience. I'm very happy to have met him. And he sent me a text message actually right before we kind of parted ways because I was leaving the city. It was in San Antonio when I was still there. He told me something along the lines of, God bless you, I'm grateful for the dentures, but thank you for saving my life, something like that. And I think that was an exaggeration because there was a lot of people in his team, his dermatologist, his rheumatologist, and I was just thankful to be kind of a part of it.